Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Facebook. I know a lot of you have been asking for this, so I'm excited to finally bring you this tutorial. Let's get started. Just open the Facebook app. The first thing you will want to do is click on the arrow in the top right corner of the page and just scroll down and select Settings and Privacy from the drop down menu. Then click on Dark Mode in the Settings menu. Once you are in the dark mode settings, you can choose to enable dark mode all the time. And there you have it. Dark mode is now enabled on your Facebook page. It is a simple way to give your eyes a little break from the bright lights of social media. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and if you have any other tech related questions or requests for future videos, be sure to leave them in the comment below.